Today I came across an incredible YouTube channel, and honestly, I was completely amazed. The channel is generating an estimated $6,800 per month with only a handful of videos. I couldn't believe my eyes. So I decided to take a closer look and analyze exactly what made this channel so successful. After carefully studying it, I discovered something surprisingly simple. The creator used just one consistent character throughout the entire channel. Instead of creating a new character for every video, they kept the same character and built different stories around it. Every video featured a fresh and exciting topic, but the main character always stayed the same. Then they transformed each story into stunning 3D cinematic animations, making every video feel unique while maintaining a recognizable identity. This simple strategy helped build a strong brand, kept viewers engaged, and encouraged them to watch more videos. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the same style of high-quality 3D AI animated videos, step by step, using AI tools. Let's get started. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with writing prompts. Most of you don't know what to write or how to write it the right way. But don't worry, because I've already solved that problem for you. I created this exact prompt after analyzing one of the most successful AI animation channels. I studied their content carefully and discovered that they simply used one consistent character while creating different storylines around it. Based on that strategy, I created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt. Your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. Before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because it really helps the channel grow and motivates me to keep bringing you valuable AI content like this. Now here's the exciting part. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate an incredible result: a fully structured storyboard, detailed image prompts, cinematic video prompts, consistent character descriptions, and a complete viral movie concept that perfectly matches the style of the successful channel we analyzed at the beginning. This exact style of 3D AI animation content is getting millions of views right now. But here's the truth that most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get professional image prompts. You won't get cinematic video prompts. Your character won't stay consistent. Your story won't feel engaging, and your final video will look average. And average content simply doesn't go viral. That's why having the right prompt is everything. It's the difference between a random AI video and a professional cinematic animation that keeps viewers watching until the end. So instead of wasting hours trying to figure everything out yourself, use a proven prompt and focus on creating better content. Stay consistent, keep improving your videos, and always follow trending ideas. Because in today's world, with the right AI tools, the right prompt, and the right strategy, going viral isn't luck, it's a repeatable system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt from the description, paste it into ChatGPT, generate your complete storyboard, and start creating your own viral 3D AI animated movies today. Now let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. There are no complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock the Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro models. Since we're creating a consistent 3D character for our animated movie, these models are perfect for generating high-quality images while maintaining the same character throughout every scene. Simply copy the complete image prompt generated by ChatGPT, then paste it into Flow AI and let the AI handle the rest automatically. Within just a few minutes, all of your cinematic images will be generated one by one. And when you see the results, you'll honestly be amazed. The image quality is incredibly sharp, highly detailed, cinematic, and professional. It looks like premium movie quality artwork, yet you're creating it completely free. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds of images depending on your project, making it perfect for creating complete AI animated movies. You don't need any drawing skills or design experience because the AI does everything for you. This is one of the biggest opportunities that many creators still don't know about. That's exactly why I created this channel, to show you the complete process, step by step, so you can start creating viral 3D AI animated videos with professional quality visuals. So follow every step carefully. because this workflow can completely transform the quality of your content and help you create videos that truly stand out. Alright guys, now it's time for the most exciting part, turning our images into cinematic AI videos. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use Wan Video AI because, after testing multiple platforms, I found it delivers some of the best results for cinematic image-to-video generation. It offers multiple powerful AI video models capable of creating highly realistic, smooth, and professional quality animations. Whether you're creating 3D animated movies, cinematic storytelling videos, disaster scenes, action sequences, or viral AI content, this platform produces incredible results while keeping the entire process simple and beginner-friendly. One thing I really like about Wan Video AI is that it gives you different AI models to experiment with, allowing you to choose the one that best matches your animation style. The motion looks natural, the camera movements feel cinematic, and the final output looks like scenes from a real animated movie. Now copy the first video prompt generated by ChatGPT, along with the corresponding image we created in Flow AI. Upload the image, paste the video prompt into the prompt box, select the image to video option, choose your preferred AI model, keep the cinematic quality settings enabled, select the correct aspect ratio, and click the Generate button. The AI will begin transforming your static image into a smooth cinematic animation. The generation usually takes only a short time depending on the selected model and server load. And boom, your first AI animation is ready. Just look at this result. The character movements are incredibly smooth, the camera motion feels cinematic, the lighting is realistic, and every detail follows the prompt almost perfectly. It honestly looks like a scene from a professional animated movie. Now repeat exactly the same process for the second scene. Upload the second image, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Wan Video AI, use the same model and settings, and click Generate again. You'll notice that the character remains perfectly consistent while every scene continues the story. This is exactly how complete AI animated movies are created, one cinematic scene at a time. Continue repeating the same workflow for every remaining scene. Simply upload the next image, paste the matching video prompt, generate the animation, review the result, and move on to the next scene. If you want even better motion, make small adjustments to your prompt and generate again until you're completely satisfied. This workflow is incredibly simple and doesn't require any professional editing skills or animation experience because the AI handles almost everything automatically. Once all of your scenes are finished, import every generated clip into CapCut or your favorite video editor. Arrange every clip in order, add your AI voiceover, background music, cinematic sound effects, smooth transitions, and subtitles if needed. Within a short time, you'll have a complete professional quality 3D AI animated movie ready to upload to YouTube. This type of cinematic storytelling content is growing rapidly because viewers love watching engaging animated stories with realistic visuals and consistent characters. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating amazing AI movies and keep growing your YouTube channel with AI.